Hello everyone, my name is Wyatt Devine. I'll be doing a quick analysis of Peter Wilson's apology video. This video is in response to an incident where his YouTube channel was moving and accidentally sent a large amount of notifications to his subscribers. Mr. Wilson achieves a high level of trust in the use of his environment. I feel that the office setting he places himself in puts him in a working man's image. It seems like another day at the office for him, but this time he needs to make something right. I'm going to play a small clip of the audio so you can hear his excellent diction and genuine enthusiasm in what he is saying. Also notice his head movement and the genuine smile that you can see in his eyes.
Major issues with our YouTube channel. For these I'd like to apologize. Some of you will have been loyal subscribers to my channel since we initiated it 5 years ago, and some of you will have subscribed more recently. Either way, I want you to know that what occurred over the weekend was a one-off glitch commensurate with the growing pains of expansion. I'm delighted that the channel is now part of Motorsport.
He immediately mentions the problem that occurred and apologizes for it within the first 30 seconds of the video, and then goes on to explain how it is growing pains from joining Motorsport.tv, a larger content creator. His head nods and genuine smile add to the trusting quality of this video. One aspect that drives home the genuine feeling of this video is near the end when he describes his own situation over the weekend. He describes how he feels the viewer's pain by showing his inbox that was filled with emails over the weekend.
Thanks again for your support and for watching, and apologies again for clogging up your inboxes. This was mine from last Wednesday. I can imagine how irritating it was, but now we're looking forward only with the intention of hugely enhancing your YouTube viewing experience.
This is a great move as it brings him to the viewer as they share the same plight. He finishes by promising to provide a year of new content to the channel and to never upload more than one video a day to keep their viewers' inboxes clean. I feel that Mr. Wilson's video is a great example of how to apologize to your audience and also to improve your relationship with them at the same time.